Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the concentric constraint. So let's start. I'm just going to give the concentric relation to this edge, which is this circular one. Let me just highlight this edge and this edge. So I need this part, which is the green one, to be get settled here, sharing the same center of these edges. Now, for that, we have to just go to the assembly constraints. Then we are just going to have the concentric. Just click here and then here. Now click on OK. Now you can see this has been settled here. To show the degree of freedom, just select this part and have a right click. Then just go to show degree of freedom. Now it is clear from the degree of freedom that this part have only one degree of freedom, which is the rotational one. Okay, so this is how we can use the concentric constraint. And if you have not watched our video on what do you mean by show degree of freedom, you can just watch that video. I'll attach the link so that you can directly jump. So that is all regarding the concentric constraint. I hope the concept is clear to you. If you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.